Hey guys, this is Maria from freewaysocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to use Instagram co-watching feature. Instagram provides its users with a feature that allows people to view Instagram posts together with their friends over video chat. Follow these steps and you'll find out how you can use it. Go to Instagram and save a post you want to show to your friend. Once you do it, invite your friend to co-watch this post. So go to Instagram homepage, press on the paper airplane icon in the top right corner of your screen. After that, click on the video call icon at the top. Type in a username of the person you would like to invite to a video chat. Once that person's name appears on a screen, tap on it. After that, you need to hit the start icon in the upper right corner and wait until another person will join a video chat. As soon as your friend connects, both of you will see a screen as I am showing now. Here you can hit the people icon at the top and add more participants into your video chat, or you can press on the gallery icon and start watching particular content together. When you click on the gallery icon, the window similar to this will pop up on your screen. You will have an opportunity to show liked, saved, or suggested posts. If you tap the post, it will appear in a full size. However, if you want to show another post, simply press on the remove icon and once again hit the gallery icon. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to use Instagram co-watching feature. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at freewaysocial.com.